I've got a 2023 Kia Sportage remote here. I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. And there's a button right here that we're going to push with our thumb, and we can pull the emergency key out. All right, so now we're going to take the buttons, okay, and we're going to turn it over like this, where it's on my left, and we're going to get a flathead screwdriver, and we're going to pry the remote open, or split the remote open. Okay, there's a seam right here you can kind of see, and we're going to use this spot right here. This is kind of important because these remotes actually can break pretty easily. If you try to do it with the buttons this way, you might break it. So turn it this way, put it in sideways like this, and kind of just push it up. Okay, you're trying to actually take this back cover off. All right, and they can be pretty sticky. Okay, pretty tight. And here it pop like that. Okay, you got to be pretty careful that you don't break it. You're gonna just crack it open and remove it just like this. And the battery just slips out the side here. Just push it out the side. This little rubber seal right here will probably be in your way. It's kind of in my way now. What you can do is pull this out a little bit, pull the board up and get the seal to fall down a little bit, and then we can just push this guy right out. I'm using my nail because I don't want to use a screwdriver and scratch up the circuit board. You gotta be pretty careful, okay, when using metal. But the battery size is gonna be a CR2032, and I'll have a link down in the description box. Takes you to Amazon where you can get a new battery, and I'll have the size down there if you actually want to see it. So check that out if you need a battery. You get your new one with the positive sign facing out. See a positive sign right here on the remote. Slide it back in like that. We're going to reposition this board where this seal goes back over the side. Falls back down in here. And now we're going to put this back together. We'll start at the top. We're just going to push it back together, and then this remote's going to be really stiff, so start at the top and work your way down. Click it all the way down. And you know you got it when you put the emergency key back in and it locks in and everything looks good. So I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me and leave me a comment if you could, and I hope to see you again in another video.